Models never end in s, even in third person singular. Use not to make modal verb negative. Don't use double models. Models like past tense forms, except could not, could and would, which serve as the past of can and will. Following are modal verbs: can, may, shall, will, could, might, should, would, must. So these are the modal verbs: can, may, shall, like that. Okay, like, can you help me? Can you do that? Can you write this? Uh, can you can you work all the time? Okay, can you pass that pen to me, like that. And we can also say that, could you please pass that? Could you you know could you say could you say sorry to me, like that. Okay, could you please add me, like that. Could you please give me could you please borrow me of 2000 rupees for 5 days, like that. And may I come, as here in your school days, like, may I come in, sir? May I go, sir? And this is the very respectable word you will have to use for teachers, for respectable persons, for your elders, like that. Okay, so may I pick this pen, sir? May I go to toilet, sir? May I may I read the book, sir? May I read that novel, sir? May I buy that book, sir? Like that. And the shall, we can also use that, uh, shall you come tomorrow? Shall I uh, shall I come shall I come tomorrow, like that. Okay, so, and also we can use will you come tomorrow? Will I come tomorrow, like that. And will they, or they will come, and they will study, they will pass the exam, they will play the football, they will watch the cricket, and they will work after 5 to 10 minutes. So, like that. Might is like a perhaps, maybe it's like a perhaps, like, the work which is in a doubt. Okay, that's called might. Like, you know uh, it might be done within 5 minutes. Okay, the person uh, might be angry if I don't return don't return 200 rupees to him. So, like that, might is like a perhaps. Should means, like, you should work, you should if if you are borrowing 500 rupees, then you should return to that person whom you have taken from. So it's like that. Should I, I should return money to that person whom I borrowed of 500 rupees, like that. And would is like, when we use for future tenses, like that. I will come, and you can say in a, you know you are in the present, you are at the present, and now you're talking about, about past and future. Like, if you give me 500 rupees, I would come with you for visit that place. I would come visit that place. Okay, the another one, use the base form of the word with the models do not change form. And example, he could ride for long distance. Correct. He could rode for long distance. It's incorrect. Okay. Example, sorry, she should pedal slower